Hello student. Today we are going to see how to make a metal base. I mean gypsum base with another support. I am going to make a sculpture. The sculpture has got a base, so I need support from the sculpture. So how I make it? Please find any kind of metal pieces like a screws, like this little bolt and screws. If you can remove the bolt, otherwise leave it, no problem. I am going to fix this on the cup, top of the cup. So what I do, I need to hold the cup. It can be anything. It can be a plastic cup, it can be a cartoon, any material you can use for making the base, sculpture base. Okay, I just put it from inside. I am using a transparent glass so that you can see this. I did it. The material is standing outside now. I make sure it comes perfect, so that let me cut it. Yes, it is ready. Now you can see the bolt is inside. Similarly, it can be any shape. It can be any shape, so that this place will be good. Now, sometime from the hole, the gypsum water may come outside. So I am using a tape to close it tightly, so that the gypsum will not get leaked. I just put a masking tape to cover the holes. Now I make sure that it is standing straight. Yeah, I think this is straight. Okay, now what I do, I need to make this stands better. So I am using here, you can use any material you keep here, and then keep this nut like this, and then you can give another support. Okay, now the cup is ready. I have to mix the gypsum and put on this. I have water in the cup. I am adding gypsum powder. I have experience, so I am doing little faster. You please see the previous video how to mix gypsum. Now I know, so that I am doing it up. I am shaking it up. I am adding more powder, gypsum powder. This gypsum is available in building material shop in Muscat in Oman. There is a bag here. It's written gypsum. 30 kilo bag is coming around 3 riyal. So you can buy and use it. Gypsum. Remember one thing, one time you mix, we cannot add water or anything to the gypsum. One time mixing, that's all. You cannot mixing again water, little powder, you cannot add. One time add and then mix. Also, if you keep mixing for a long time, also that will not solve your problem. The gypsum will become weak. After mixing for 1 minute, 30 seconds, you need to allow the gypsum to dry, it won't. You are keep mixing, it will not. See, now this has become very thick. So now this is the time to stop mixing. And so I'm just supporting this, and I pour inside. That's all. This is called a beautiful metal base will come. Support for my sculpture. What I am creating is base for the sculpture, mini sculpture. I am going to do a mini sculpture, so my base is this. Now you see here, the bolt is down and the cup is there. So I mix this straight. It has to dry. I want to mix a little more to this. I hope this comes here. Okay, I can add little more water. I take more water. I am mixing this again because I want to fill the cup. This is a very interesting subject. Remember, as I told you, keep your materials ready. First water, then powder. Then check. I put the powder inside. I shake it up. The gypsum stands here on the top. That means the enough. You don't need to put again. Now see, the gypsum powder is on the top. So the settling is over. I am using a stick to mix it up nicely. Now for example, I mix this, it is settling. Can I mix and pour on this? Yes, you can do, because this can set each other. There is no glue. But when it is dry, there is a piece I am touching here which is dry. I am going to pour little on that also, then you can see the difference. How I make this gypsum two pieces not touching? You just apply one dry gypsum, you apply a soap water, you apply a butter, you apply a oil and put another gypsum. The gypsum will not mix each other. Now see this, I am adding up here. I make sure that it is standing straight. Now this gypsum, there is a gypsum here where I am using another gypsum, liquid gypsum, that will fix. Remember, if there is a oil like a Vaseline, soap water will not allow the gypsum to stick each other. When I touch it will be into two pieces. Now this gypsum, if I pour here, after a few minutes this may stick with this gypsum. Okay, so this is the video for making the sculpture base. What I do, I take a container, backside of the container, you can use any kind of material. See this, I can cut with this, I can find a material, bolt, screw, nuts, any material you can use for your base. I found this is in my place. I found these like metal pipes, then I cut and kept ready. This I found somewhere. So all this kind of metal things can help you as a base. Your sculpture can sit on this, and then it can help you to become a base. So wherever you find the mix, the gypsum is dried. See, I am removing it now. See, the base is here. I am removing the masking tape. There is some gypsum is out of the cup. It's okay. Now see, this is already settled. This is already settled now, and I feel still time we need to give. But anyway, I am going to open. At the same time, you remember I was pouring a gypsum here. You see, this also is settled. See, this also settled. Because of this gypsum has got dust in it, it is coming out. Now I am going to open this. The gypsum is not settled now still, so that allow half an hour to dry. Every back gypsum has got a different settling time. Now this gypsum still require time, but I am just opening to show you the base. So when you allow long time, 1 hour, then this will not have any damage at all. Now it has got little slight damage, but it can come out. See now, my sculpture base is ready, but it is slanting now. My base is ready. Now I can keep my wire and what the design model, whatever, because since I have a base here, any model, see even the hanker model, something is here. I want to use it like my design. I just connect it with this wire. And I can connect then my model will stand in this. You see the wire? You see wire in the model? So my base will become strong now. I have a support here. This will not break. So I can build up anything. Now next formation I want to do this. I want to make this in the gypsum. So I can do this. I can use another wire, built-in wire in between. I can wrap it a cloth. I can wrap it a tissue paper with a gypsum. So I can complete my work. Now this is the exercise to know how to make the base for the sculpture. Now the shape of this cup, it's your idea. You can make like a foam board, okay, connecting this, close a box like a box type. You can put in the back side. This again as usual, as I told you, you need to think reverse from the back side. After dry, then you can turn back side, upside down. This is the base for the sculpture. The shape here, it can be cylinder, cuboid, diamond, any shape, the base, that's your choice. Okay, student? Thank you.